principal say thank you.
Don't you have the record of that design? Don't you have the record of that design?
It is his question, not yours.
I am as equal effective as he
It
is.
is his question,
Because
not
you
yours.
cut twice my salary. You twice cut my salary against the Supreme Court order. Can you say it on record? Please. Please say it on record. Be a man. Be a man. Be a man. Be a man. Be a man now. Please say it on record. Please keep quiet. He has been an aristocrat, dictator. I am telling you, I'm just proving this. Now, please stay away. You are not a doctor. This is a doctor's forum.
Please get to the module director.
Supreme Court
You are saying
he is filming this.
Yes, I'm filming this. I'm filming this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
He's filming it without your consent.
Everybody else would be blurred.
Everybody
I assure you. Nobody
consent.
else would come as a
He
witness.
is filming it without your consent. Is that right?
I'm filming you
Is
without
it
your
right?
consent.
It is without my consent.
You did this. You did this. आप लोगों के सामने से चलते चलते मैं दोबारा तनख्वाह काटूंगा.
No, we are meeting Nepal.
जैसे
We are meeting Nepal.
the Supreme Court order against it. Otherwise, it's a bar तनख्वाह. Imran तो नहीं साहब. Imran, please don't. Nobody touches me. मैंने किसी की कोई फिजिकल अब्यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं किसी का कोई वर्बल अब्यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. अपने राइट की बात कर रहा हूँ. ये कह रहे हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर के अगेंस्ट बार-बार मैं रेटिंग में बहुत कर चुका हूँ. I want to record it on camera. If you are a man, please say it again. 3 मरतबा जो आपने दावा किया अपना दोबारा काटेंगे. तनख्वाह दोबारा काटेंगे. Please say it again. Be a man. Be a man. Be a man.
In MMA is proven. My secretary, my property at the king. I think you are disturbing the whole decorum.
Yes, I am disturbing you.
You are disturbing the whole decorum.
You have cut the salary.
Let us finish.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying No relax. No relax. The word is respect.